and this is the Joyetech eVic VT kit. This is another full kit here, which is also a temperature controlled device. If we pull the top layer out with our mod body, it has an integrated battery inside. We'll find our warranty card. That's there. We've got our instruction manual, fairly decent size. Our micro USB charging wire. Our Ego 1 Mega tank, which is fitted with a coil. And in this little pouch here, we've also got a spare coil and a little silicone cover for the battery mod. Now, inside the tank, you're provided with a fitted atomizer head. Now, the atomizer head that's in there is a nickel coil, and the spare one that they give you is a titanium. So the nickel is 0.2 ohms and your titanium is 0.4 ohms. So obviously both of these coils are both temperature coils and must be used in temperature mode for the corresponding coil. So if it's a titanium coil, you must use it in the titanium temperature mode, and if it's the nickel coil, you have to use it in the nickel temperature mode. You can purchase standard Canthil coils for it also, and it will allow you to use it just in normal power mode, where you're going up and down the watts, variable wattage mode. It's purely up to you what you prefer, but they give you 2 temperature coils to get you set up right away. So if we take our tank out, we have a decent size removable mouthpiece or drip tip, a standard 510 connection at the base, and we have our airflow valve at the bottom also. Simply twist that back and forth to open and close the airflow valve. To fill the tank and get to the coil, I'm going to turn it upside down and unscrew the base of the tank. When we take the base off, we can see that the coil is exposed, and we can fill with the e-liquid. We want to miss the hole in the centre, because the liquid will run out the mouthpiece, and we want to fill all around the side of that centred post. So pour the liquid in at the side and allow it to run down and collect in the tank. Fill your base in your atomizer head here. As you can see, this is the nickel coil, 0.2 ohms. To change the coil, simply give it a nice tight twist and it will be released from the base. When we've got a coil out and we want to replace it, we'll simply grab a new one out of the packet. We'll screw it back into the base. When we've just fitted a new atomizer, we always want to prime the coil. We do that by placing a few drops of e-liquid in the centre of the coil unit here, so it dribbles onto the cotton wicks and also in the little side holes. And we're just priming the coil, giving it a little head start for the e-liquid to flow in. Once we've primed the coil and filled the tank with e-liquid, we can screw the base back on. Once we have that set, we'll grab our mod body and battery. We can see that the standard 510 connection will simply screw onto this hole right at the top. We have our full set complete kit. It's a really nice looking mod, it looks really good in the black. It is available in other colours, but the black on red looks really good. So to charge the device, if we turn it over, we can see it's a micro USB charging port at the top. It also does have pass-through technology, so you can vape it while it's charging. And to turn it on, we simply click the button 5 times. Once the device is turned on, we're set to, you can see, temp NI for nickel, as it's a nickel coil in there. We've started off at 450 degrees Fahrenheit with an initial fire of 60 watts. Got quite a decent charge with battery here, so that should last us for a good little while. Now the first thing is it's set to Fahrenheit. Most people will want this to work on Celsius. So if we bring the temperature up and we keep going up all the way to the top, it will round robin and start in Celsius. Now we're in Celsius mode. It's a nice big screen, so you can see exactly where you are. Feels good in the hand. And it's an all-round good, sturdy, trustworthy piece of kit, but made by a fantastic manufacturer.